Welcome students in my new tutorial based upon Adobe Photoshop. So first of all I'll be starting my Adobe Photoshop. I click upon Adobe Photoshop. So it's loading. In my today's tutorial also I'll be working upon image. Last time I have told you some very important tools. So first of all I'll load some image. One option I told you that you can directly click upon open icon, or second option is there you can just go where your images are present. Suppose my like this my pictures, and here I am having one folder where I have downloaded some images. So I'll select one image from here. I suppose this one, and don't worry, already I'll provide the link of all these images in my link. So you have to just click at the bottom of my tutorial in my YouTube channel, and there you have to click on that link, and as a result you'll be able to download all these images as a practice. So I'll just click this. What I'll do, I'll drag actually this image directly. I'll drag it where my Adobe Photoshop is, and like this, and here you can leave it, and as a result your image will be loaded. So in my last tutorial I taught you another way, directly clicking on open and directly going to that particular folder where your image was present, and here I'm directly downloading, or I'm just dragging the image towards my Adobe Photoshop. So again I'll do this the needful thing, just to open the lock. This I have already explained last time. Again just renaming it original, and then I'll be making the duplicate layer and giving the name as duplicate. So now I'll be working upon duplicate. So this time I'll be teaching you some basic tools. These tools we have already done: rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row, single column. So this lasso tools afterwards I'll teach you, but just now this quick selection tool I want to teach. So this is one, two, three, fourth tool, and shortcut is only W. So if I'll directly click on W here in between, only W, this tool will come. You could see here this tool is been selected. This is quick selection, okay? And what you will do, just you drag it down like this, and you see uh, this marquee options, it has already selected this whole sky, and now I want to delete this. I want to make my own sky. So what I'll do, I'll just press delete from my keyboard. I'll press delete, and as a result you will just see uh, the result like this, that selected parts is been deleted. So always you have to press Control D just to remove this selection. How, what you will do, Control D, or either you can click on select and deselect option, Control D, okay? Either of the option you can do, Control D or deselect from select. Once you have deselected, you could see it's total empty, nothing is there. Now I want to change the sky on the top. I want to make my own sky. So what I can do, so first of all I'll be using this tool. Already we have used gradient tool also, and paint bucket tool I have already taught you. So I'll click on paint bucket tool, and then the color is there. Even the swatches option is there. You can click on swatches. If you'll find here sky, somewhat like here sky, you can color it here, but I don't want to color it here. Actually I want to teach you using of layers also. So what you can do here, where the layers are there, option panel is there, at the bottom you will find here different options. This is making a new layer. See, creating a new layer. This means delete a layer. This is create a layer. So I'll click on this option, and you will see here new layer. So I'll rename it to sky. I'll double click it, sky, and now what I'll do, I'll just color it. The land where it has gone, Actually that layer is at the bottom of sky layer, that's why now sky is on the top. So what I'll do, from this layer option, I'll just drag this duplicate layer on the top. And as I told you that these layers acts working upon like polythene sheets or glass. So whatever is empty, that place has been taken by the bottom layer. So you could see here the sky is being made. So in a very short time you were able to change the sky. Now this is one option. I want to do the variation with this. Again I'll make a new layer. Just see here, a new layer, and I'll rename it as sky 1. And here when I have renamed it as sky 1, I'll go to where it is written gradient. I'll select gradient from here. Gradient tool I have already taught you. So from here I'll choose suppose this one, giving little yes, color of the sky. I'll just delete this option. To delete these already markers which are already there, what I could do, tab stops, I should say color stops. uh, I'll select this and press my left mouse button down. So I'm pressing my left mouse button down to delete this tab stops or color stops. It's like this here also. So here now already sky color is there, white is there. This also I want to delete. Okay, or either I want to change the color. I click it here and some. I'll just click it here and suppose from here I'll make some orange color. I'll just do some orange. Okay. This also I want to delete. I'll just say something like this. Okay, something a mix of red and sky, and then click on OK, and then I'll just see how it looks. So you're not able to see the cursor, always you can press caps lock. Whenever you're not able to see the cursor here, you can always press caps lock just to see the icon. For suppose I've selected suppose this quick selection tool, so always it shows where the tool is. Okay, and here also like it shows where the tool is, caps lock key. So again selecting gradient, and I'll see that my sky 1 layer should be selected, and then I'll drag it down, something this kind of color it's giving. And then now why this color is coming, because this layer is on the top of sky layer. So this I'll off, although if I'll off this one, the previous sky layer will come. So I'll on it, and the previous one, although I can off it also, nothing will change because this layer is on the top, so it will show its color effect. Now once this is been done, I am able to change the color of the sky. Then this duplicate layer, this also I want to change, little reddish color I want to add. So you know very well different tools you have done. So I'll be using Control U, hue saturation tool, and just try to make it to red. Let's see, uh, like this. Okay, this is looking good. And then lightness, evening time, I think this is looking okay for me. Red color, I'll just check if anything happens with red colors. Okay, this seems okay for me. And in this way you are able to change the whole concept. Actually now original image, if you want to see how it was looking, so for that actually you have to unclick this. This is the original image. Firstly changing of the sky and this background. So you know very well, originally it was like this, then we change the color. See, this is the original color, and now then the sky. So I hope you have learned how to change the parts of the image. Firstly, I have taken the original image, not done anything in that, just make the duplicate of the image. Then I change the sky. This is just the example I have given you. You can change any part of the image. Just try to make the duplicate of the parts and then do the changes so that the original image remains there. So with this, I'm closing my this tutorial, and if you like my tutorial, then please do like, share and comment, and please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it earlier. So okay, bye bye, take care, wait for my next tutorial.